My name is Takia, and I'm a Divine Elements in Design and Decorator's Voice. I'm a certified interior decorator, professional organizer, and planning and productivity strategist. And if those are topics that you're interested in, please subscribe to this channel and hit the bell for notifications. In addition to my YouTube videos and blog posts, I also have a free course titled 5 Days to Organize Life and Home. During the course of 5 days, you will receive an email from me with tips and suggestions on how you can maintain a clutter-free home. Information about this free course will be in the discussion box below. So, as the title of this video suggests, I'm going to share with you the steps I took to revamp my stairway wall. If you have been following me, you remember a few weeks ago, or actually probably a few months ago right now, I redid my stairwell. I removed that icky wall and made rails, and I absolutely love it. I also replaced the handrail that was missing with a nice, beautiful one. So with that said, I had to go ahead and hang up the pictures and create a gallery wall. So if you're interested in a gallery wall, the first thing you need to do is gather your supplies. And a lot of times we're not thinking about everything, but we need to make sure you have your hammer, your hanging devices, a leveler, a tape measure, all of those things. Go ahead and gather all of those things in preparation of creating your gallery wall. Next, you want to look at your pictures and actually decide what you want to hang up. So for me, I didn't want to keep like a monochromatic wall. I didn't want to just have all black frames or all silver frames. I wanted to mix and match. That way I can always go through later on and add and take away as I see fit. If I would have just had all black frames and I saw a beautiful gold frame or a white frame, it may look tacky to have 50 all black frames and then just add one gold one. So I wanted a mixture of frames between the finish of the frame and then also the color and then the shape and size. So I thought that would give me the look that I wanted. So another thing you need to do after you kind of decide on which pictures you want to put in what frame is to create a template. So there are some pre-made templates that you can buy, and I will leave a link in the description box below of some that I found on Amazon. But you can also kind of create your own. So with mine, I just laid all the pictures down on the ground and just kind of played with them and decided which ones I wanted. I had these really two big family collage frames, and those were what I wanted to put up and to just kind of decorate around it. So on that collage frame, it also had some blank areas for 4x6s. I didn't actually use all of them, but I wanted to leave some spaces so I can go ahead and add more pictures in the future. We've been in my home for 20 years and we have tons of pictures and memories. So I wanted to make sure to have spaces to add additional pictures and memories. So now comes the somewhat hard part, is actually hanging them. I took my time and figured out, with the tape measure, with the leveler, to hang up all the pictures that I wanted. I wanted you to, when you come into the home, to see the pictures, and then also if you're walking up and down the stairs, to just see the memories that me and my family have shared over the past 20 years, and then also the future memories or the future experiences we will have. So you will see some of our baby pictures. You'll also see pictures of cruises and different events, maybe comedy clubs or concerts that we went to. And I just wanted it to just be something fun. It's really funny because my kids, it actually look like you copied and pasted them. So it's kind of funny to see a picture of one child at one age and then see another child at the same age, and you're wondering, hey, is this the first baby or the second baby or the third baby? So that really made it fun. So when we're walking up and down the stairs, the little ones are saying, is this me or is this my big brother? But that's really the fun thing about having those pictures and looking at the memories that you've created. So another thing you can do, instead of just having frames of pictures, you can add artwork. You can add flowers. You can add maybe alphabets to spell your last name. So if your last name is Divine, you may want to put like a big D up there and just frame around it. So we didn't do that with this time. Maybe in the future I will go out and put the letter, because I just basically used what I had. I didn't buy any new picture frames. I didn't buy any new accessories. This was a very low budget, or actually no budget, makeover that I did for the stairwell going up. So now all the pictures are up and I absolutely love it. You know, just walking up and down the stairs, seeing those pictures and creating memories is something that was very nice and dear to my heart. I hope you found this video useful, and I hope you enjoyed some of the tips and suggestions I left for creating a gallery wall. Your gallery wall doesn't have to go up the stairs. It can be any room or in any room in your home. You can have it over your sofa, a fireplace, a living room, bedroom, wherever you see fit to have a gallery wall. So if you found this information useful, please give this video a thumbs up, and then also subscribe to this channel for home decor ideas, organizational tips, and planning and productivity strategies. If you made it to the end of this video, in the comment section below, just type the word tiger so I can know you made it this far. Thank you very much and have a divine day. Goodbye.